Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th, chapter 12, smart charts, part 2. Students, let us continue with another topic of your textbook, that is making telemarks on road, which is on page number 160. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the numbers of vehicles passing by. She made a telemark for each vehicle. This helped her in counting the total numbers of vehicles in each group. So this was the table which she has prepared. The first question is regarding the table only, that you have to write the numbers of each vehicles in the table. Now here is the telemark, students. As you know, the telemark which we are going to learn, we have to see that this 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5, right? So like this, if you are going to count, for earlier question also I explained you about how to count these telemarks. So I hope students you know how to do it. Okay students, so here this is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 times 5 is 25 and 1, 2, 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. For cars it is 5 plus 5, 10 and 2 more, that is 12. For auto rickshaws, 5 threes are 15 plus 3, 18. For buses, we have only 5 threes are 15. For auto rickshaws, we have 5 fours are 20 and this addition of 4, that is 24. For trucks, we have 5 plus 1, that is 6. And when we do the total, students, of all this, we get the number 103. So this is how we have actually studied the whole table. Now let us answer the questions which are on this table. How many vehicles in all did Sumita see on the road in half an hour? So what total we got when we added all this? I'm showing you the table once again. If you are going to do the total of 28 plus 12 plus 18 plus 15 plus 24 and plus 6, the total comes as 103. So Sumita for half an hour was standing on the road and doing the telemark, and when she counted after half an hour the total numbers of all kinds of vehicles she has seen during this half an hour is 103. So we will write Sumita saw 103 vehicles in half an hour. Now here the next question, number C, is auto rickshaws are thrice the numbers of truck. Now let us see. Auto rickshaws means what, students? So auto rickshaws means the numbers of auto rickshaws will be equal to thrice. Thrice means 3 times, that is 3 multiple the numbers of trucks. Okay students, now from the table we have seen that auto rickshaws are 18. Now let us see whether 3 multiple the numbers of trucks were 6. So 3 6 are 18. Right students? So we have seen that this 18 and this 18 are equal. So whatever the statement is, the statement is actually true. You understood, students, how to do it? Fine. So yes, the given statement is true that auto rickshaws are actually 3 times the numbers of trucks. Okay students, the next question is hot and cold. This topic is there on your page number 165. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? Yes, students, this is generally the activity we are going to see daily on either TV news or maybe on the newspapers. These are two bar charts. Now I'm going to show you the bar charts which are represented. You may open your textbook and you can see by the time. These show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in 4 cities on 2 different days. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Okay, students? Now, this is the bar graph given to you on your page number 165, right? Now see here, we have to read that this is the bar yellow for the city Delhi. The temperature shown here is 33 degree. The blue bar is for the city Shimla. Temperature shown is 22 degree. The light green colored bar is for Bangalore. Temperature here 28. And the orange colored bar is for Jaisalmer. Temperature shown 38 degree. Now all these temperatures are recorded for which month and date? It is for 1st June. Very close by you will get another bar graph where again the yellow will represent the same city, that is Delhi, blue for Shimla, light green for Bangalore and orange for Jaisalmer. The temperature recorded are from which month and day? It is from 1st December. Delhi is showing the temperature 23, Shimla 10, Bangalore 24 and Jaisalmer 25. Students, 1st June is considered to be the hottest month, right? So this temperature here is actually of summer. That means you may say just before the rainy season, the hottest month. And December is considered to be the winter season and it is considered as the coldest month. So two extreme temperatures are given to you of 4 cities. This bar graph shows the hottest temperatures and this bar graph shows the cold temperature. Now depending on these bar graph, you have some questions to answer. First one, which city is the hottest on 1st June? So you can see this is the bar chart where the highest temperature is 38. So hottest on 1st June, city's name is Jaisalmer. So we are going to write Jaisalmer. Which city is coldest on 1st December? So again, if you are going to see that this is the coldest one, all the temperatures show the cold temperature. So among these temperature, which one is the highest you are going to see? No students. For the summer season, definitely the greater number will represent the hottest temperature. But when you come for winter season and you want to see the coldest one, right? So don't see the highest temperatures. For the temperature of coolness, we see the lowest number. The number or the degree Celsius, or we may say the temperature where it is having the lowest numbers, that city is actually having the very cold weather over there. Okay students, so for hottest you will consider greater number to be the greatest, but for coldest you will take the smallest number for coldest. Okay, so here the very less temperature among all 4 cities is of Shimla. So we are going to write Shimla is the city which is the coldest one on 1st December. Now which city shows, this is a printing mistake. It is not HTTLE, it is LITTLE, little. which shows little change in temperature on the 2 days, that is 1st June and 1st December. So little change means the difference is not much. That means the minus, if you are going to do of this same city of the from these 2 months, they don't give the answer in a very big numbers. Okay, the smallest number it is. So let us count about Delhi. If you're going to minus 23 from 33, the answer is 10. If you're going to minus 10 from 22, the answer is 12. So here we get 10, here we get 12. Now 24 subtracted from 28, you get only 4. See, here you got 10, here you got 12, here you get 4. Now subtraction of Jaisalmer's temperature from 1st December to 1st June, that is 38 minus 25. It will give you the temperature of 13. So students, 10, 12, 4, 13. These are the answers after doing the subtraction. So which one gives you the very less number after minus, that is after subtraction? That is Bangalore's. Only little temperature. See, when during hot season also it is suffering from 28 degree, it is actually having 28 degree temperature, and during coldest seasons also it is having not not very less, but it is 24. So temperature is approximate to be very, very, what you can say, it's pleasure kind of temperature there. Not too hot, not too cold. Okay, so difference is also very less. So what we are going to write? The city which is showing the very less temperature from 1st June and 1st December, that is Bangalore. And we did the minus also. We got the very other cities are having 2 digit in the answer after subtraction. Only Bangalore is having a single digit after subtraction, that is 4. I hope students you have understood well about these two things. Okay students, now as I told you that these are the questions which you are going to just observe in your textbook and you are going to answer. No need to copy all this in your CWs. Students, you can do all these smart charts, most of the questions in the textbook only. So both of these questions also, students, you are going to do it in textbook. Okay student, I hope you have understood everything very well. We are going to meet soon with another 2 topics more. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.